Why I am a pharmacist? Because my words are antibiotics, my smile is analgesic, my touch is anti-inflammatory, my presence is antiseptic, my feeding is antipyretic. That's why I am a pharmacist. Happy World Pharmacist Day 2021. So it's a really blessing to attend such a highly qualified, highly cultured gathering, that too on this special occasion like World Pharmacist Day. Powerful people comes from powerful places, but sometimes powerful people comes from pharmacy also. Powerful people makes their places powerful. With this powerful note, I may hand over the mic to Mr. Rashid to deliver a powerful welcome speech.
I am here to welcome you all for this special occasion. 25th September is celebrated as World Pharmacist Day. So the reason behind this is in the year 1921, International Federation of Pharmacy is established on the same date. And to honor that date, today is celebrated as World Pharmacist Day. And this scenario has begun from the year 2009 onwards. And now this is the 11th World Pharmacist Day we are celebrating. For a mobile to run, we have to charge a mobile. And for a person to survive, he needs blood. And to supply the blood, he needs a heart. And for healthcare sector, a medicine is very important to cure a disease. But another vital thing is that medicine comes from intellect and hard work of pharmacists. During this pandemic, across the globe, all pharmacists are engaging in many activities, including from research and development to finally the last healthcare sectors. Thank you one and all.
May I request Ms. Akshita, Ms. Divya and Ms. Shilpa to occupy the dais for welcome song. Next, I will request Dr. Ashok Kumar, Dr. Arun Kumar, Dr. Divyasri to please be on the dais. Mr. S. Senthil Kumar, Pharmacy Officer, to deliver a speech on World Pharmacist Day.
Pharmacy, always trusted for your health. The World Pharmacist Day is celebrated with pharmacists to promote their commitment to organize activities that promote and advocate for the role of the pharmacist in improving health in all parts of the world. The International Pharmaceutical Federation, FIP, Congress in Istanbul, Turkey, designated 25th September as Annual World Pharmacist Day in 2009. Celebrating the day also reminds the role of the pharmacist in developing safe and effective medicines and vaccines, thereby promoting people's life. Positive relationships. Our genuine interest in our patients and time taken to listen to their needs, as well as our extra efforts during the COVID-19 pandemic, have educating the patients regarding the drug adverse effects, drug interactions, etc. Rectifying the errors in the prescription by discussing with the treating doctors, which builds up the relationship with the doctor, thereby providing the actual requirement of the drug for the patients. Pharmacy that denotes P for punctuality, Q, H for humanity, A for accessibility, R for reliability, M morality, A ability, C cordiality, I integrity, S sincerity, and T tolerance. Doctor gives life with medicine, and we pharmacists gives life to medicine. Thank you all.
Now I may request Mr. Dhanajayan to deliver a few words about the Pharmacy Day celebration.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಸರಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವಿಶ್ವ ಔಷಧಿಕಾರರ ದಿನ 2021 ದಿನ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ 2021 ಥೀಮ್ ಅಂತ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಡಾಕ್ಟರು ಒಂದು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗೆ ಜೀವ ಉಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಒಬ್ಬ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಗೆ ಜೀವ ಉಳಿಸೋದು ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್. ಒಂದು ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್, ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಆ ಕ್ರೂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮನ್ನು ರಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ತರಿಸೋದು, ಒಂದು ಸೊಸೈಟಿಗೆ ತರಿಸೋದು ಮೇಜರ್ ರೋಲು. ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್, ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದಟ್ ದ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆನೇ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಯಾರೂ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು. ಸೊ ದ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರೂ ಆ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮಾತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
What is meant by trust? Already telling this up told you trust. Okay. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಾಯಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಕಾಯಿಲಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೆ ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್. ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. Okay. First of all, reduce the unnecessary use of antibiotics because of lack of education in the people. In ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ಗೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ನು 2-3 times ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾವು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಅನ್ನೆಸರಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಕಾರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅನ್ನೆಸರಿ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬೈಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ರೀಯೂಸ್. ಏನಾನ ಇದು ಐಟಮ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಏನಾನ ಇದೈತೆ ಅದು ರೀಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಟು recycle. Recycle is the last one. We cannot do for that one. This is go for companies only. Okay. Thank you for everyone for joining this topic.
Wish all pharmacists on behalf of
Mike.
doctors, on behalf of other than the pharmacy staff in our store. So I would like to wish you all the best. Also I wish happy World Pharmacist Day. Next is, as far my knowledge goes, in our store, or that means in the DSI hospital, all pharmacists are putting almost their effort in responsibility and sincerity to maintain the pharmacy. What my knowledge goes, I appreciate this, and also I would like to tell them to continue the same spirit and enthusiasm in future also. So our support will be there for till our stay in this store. So this much I can say, and once again I wish everyone a happy World Pharmacist Day. Okay, thank you.
So thank you, sir, for the valuable suggestions. We will definitely take your advice sincerely and seriously. Mr. Sanitha Nagarjuna to deliver a vote of thanks.
World Pharmacist Day is celebrating on September 25th. As the FIP, the International Pharmaceutical Federation, was established on September 25th in the year 1912, and the members of the committee recommended to celebrate this Pharmacist Day on September 25th from the year 2009 onwards, and every year with the one theme we are celebrating it. And the theme for this year, we all know that, so many people told that, the pharmacy always trusted for your health. And first of all, everyone feel that pharmacy is nothing but drugs. So generally drugs means a small molecule which will heal the diseases, cure the diseases, something else. But for the discovery of a drug molecule, we all know that it will take lot of time, the manpower, expenditure. So since from the lead identification, optimization, preclinical trials, clinical trials, for a drug molecule to release into the market, so nearly 15 years to 25 years is happening. A lot of expenditure is happening. And first of all, on this occasion, so we should salute all the pharmacists, especially the research pharmacists, the microbiologists, the biologists, the doctors who are involved, who put their complete efforts, sacrifice of their lives, spending their valuable time in the discovery of a new drug molecule which is saving the society. I really thank to Dr. Ashok sir, Dr. Arun sir, Dr. Divya ma'am for spending their time, for their presence and for their support. Yes, my friends and my juniors for their support, for their cooperation and for their enthusiasm. And I thank all the ministerial staff, administrative staff, nursing academy staff, housekeeping staff for their support directly or indirectly. And I especially thank you Mr. Udayakant sir, so who initiated, who executed and who completed this task successfully.
So ends are not bad things. They just mean that something else is about to begin.
We have a small activity kind of. He will be doing the action and you have to guess it out.
Verification, physical verification.
Okay, a clue. All this will be done in a place called
Pharmacy.
so, pharmacy stores.
Actually, that is medical shop. Just mention. Patient discharge. Hero.
Rajkumar. Kannada film. Shivraj
ಇನ್ನು 1 hour.
first ಯಾವ language ಅಂದ್ರೆ? Song hero name. Jaggesh.
Rajkumar ಅವರಾ?
Pharmacist. Medical.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in our session we are going to show you how to clear orthopedic implants bills. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell button to get the notifications. Also drop your comments in the commentary box below. We like to see you. We have a guest speaker with us, the most genius, the most intellect. He'll be sharing how to clear
ಏಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Okay, we are done with today's session.